Come take a look at this 2007 Chevrolet Silverado 2500 HD. Carfax has certified the Silverado 2500 HD as having one owner. This Silverado 2500 HD has just under 145,500 miles. This Silverado 2500 HD boasts a 6.6-liter turbo engine and has a 4-speed automatic transmission. Another great feature is that this vehicle uses diesel. Additional options for this vehicle include power driver's seat, satellite radio, tow package, driver airbag and Bluetooth. Call 866-483-5896 or email our friendly sales staff today to schedule a test drive.